Today on Thunderbird 4-wheel drive, we're going to take and swap out our old worn Haas Fairlead for this new Yankum Toe Points Groove Fairlead. So stick around and check it out. So one of the first things I got to do in order to install our new Fairlead, we're going to have to take all the old stuff off of here. And you can see that the end of our hook stay over here got bent and it's a little jacked up, and it's just kind of ugly up here, not like it's gonna look when we're done. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and we're gonna rip this bad boy off, and I'm gonna have to also resplice the end of my line here in order for it to be used on the Groove Fairlead. There's a bajillion videos on how to resplice these online. I'll do a link to one that Yankum Ropes does on how to do the Brummel splice, which is what I'm gonna do. Stick around, watch this. Well, there you have it, folks. The Yankum Toe Points Groove Fairlead installed. I think it looks pretty sexy. So people will be like, so there's a number of you that already know what this is, and there's some of you that might be seeing this for the first time and asking, why would you swap all that stuff out? What's the point of all of this? So as you can see, the end of the winch line is now tucked inside here. So it can't be smacked if I slam into the front of something with my bumper. So if I'm out wheeling and I catch an obstacle or something out here, I'm not going to damage my winch line anymore. So just spool it free, give it a tug, and there we go. Now you also might be asking, well, where's the hook? Why don't you have a hook? Well, I also bought a whole bunch of other stuff from Yankum, so I've got 6 soft shackles now that I can use to attach this to whatever it is that I'm going to be towing. So I'll show you those now. So here's some of the soft shackles I got. I got a couple long ones, and then I've got a bunch of shorter ones. So why a soft shackle and why not something else? The whole point is to take metal out of the equation. So when you put all of this stuff under a really heavy load, you're going to, maybe on occasion, break something, or something's going to come loose. In the event, and hopefully the rare event that happens, when all of that energy is released, the synthetic ropes will basically just drop. Gravity takes over, they relax, and they hit the ground. If you have a piece of metal attached, well, really bad things happen, and sometimes people die. So along with my new Fairlead, I got myself some recovery gear. So I've got in black a 30-foot 7/8 kinetic rope. I have a 20-foot in red 7/8 kinetic rope. I've got a 3" by 8-foot tree saver. I've got 2 Toe Points snatch blocks. I've got a Toe Points recovery point for a 2" receiver, and here's all the soft shackles I got, and sitting underneath all of those is the bag to put everything in. So and then on the back side I've got the abrasion guards for the kinetic ropes. So all Yankum gear, and that's all I'm going to be running, and I can't wait to put some of it to use. I want to thank everybody for watching today's video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you could please go down in the comments, say something. It really helps me out in the algorithm, gets my videos seen more. So also, if you guys like what you're watching, please hit that subscribe button. I would totally appreciate it. Up here, I got a couple more videos I want you guys to check out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.